Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total 3 websites where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink. So the first website name is photozup.jp. So for this website you can see the domain authority is 70 and the spam score is only 6%. If you are able to see in bottom of this section, so domain authority is 70 and the spam score is only 6%. So this is a website backlink what I have already created. So in this video I will let you know how you guys will create. So simply you guys will create your profile on this site. So you can see the website, this is the website dashboard. So simply you can see there is a sign up button, you can click on this and you can click on this section, and you will see there is a terms and condition option. You can accept terms and condition and you will fill your all login credentials like your email ID and your password and your nickname. Then you guys are click on the sign up button. Then you guys are able to explore this website profile. So first you guys will, once you guys will create your profile, then you guys then this site will send you a verification OTP. So they might be send you in a spam folder. So from where you guys will verify your profile. Once you guys will verify your profile, so then the time is to you guys will optimize your profile details. So simply you can see there is a setting button, you can click on this, and after that there you guys will add your nickname, then your full name, and published on the internet. You can check this box, and after that you will see there is a blog section. So there you guys will add your website URL, and if you wanting to add any message, so simply you guys will add your message also. So I can add my main targeted keyword on this section. So this is my main targeted keyword like the top interview management system, JobMa, and I have added our description also. Then after that you can click on the save button. Once you guys will complete all the things, so you can see there is a icon, so you can click on this and you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created our backlink on this side. So now we can move forward. So the next website name is this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. devphotoguide.com. So this is a website where we have created backlinks. So you can see for this website the domain authority is 67 and the spam score is only 1%. So simply you guys will create your profile on this site. The profile creation process is very simple. So there you guys will see there is okay, and you will see there is a register option. You can click on this, and there you guys will add your first name, last name, zip code, and your country code. Then you will add your username, email, password, and the confirm password. Then after that you can verify your captcha and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the create my account button. Once you guys will complete these things, so simply you can see this is a dashboard. So you will see there is your profile section. So simply you can click on this section and you will see that kind of interface. So from there you guys will upload your profile picture. So let me upload my profile picture. And you will see there, from there you guys will change your country and your another details, housing, and the another details. And from there you guys will see there is a URL option. You can click on this and you guys will add your website URL over there. Once you guys will complete these things, so then after that you can click on the save changes, and you guys are able to see. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So I will show you in incognito or the next tab, so where we can, so you will see it's a 100% no follow backlink. this is a no follow backlink. Okay, so we have created our backlink on this site. So now the time is to we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is ulu.com. So this is a website URL. So first you guys will create your profile on this site. So the profile creation process is very simple. So let me show you how you guys will create. So simply you can click on the sign in button, and there you guys will see there is a sign up option. You can click on this and you guys will add your email address and your password, and you guys will verify, acknowledge the terms and condition to you are 18-year-old. So after that you can click on the sign up button. So this is a simple process to you guys will access this website profile dashboard. So once you guys will create your profile on this website, so simply you can see top of the right corner there is your profile username. So you can click on this and simply you can click on the setting button. From there you guys will see there is your all details. But the thing is, once you guys will create your profile on this site, so the time is you guys will verify your profile first, then you guys are able to see that kind of interface, so where you guys will add your website URL. Okay, so first thing you guys will verify your profile. So this site will send you a verification link over your Gmail box, over your Gmail. So through the Gmail you guys will verify your profile. Then after that you can complete your all details. So there you guys will add your company name, username, and your email address, where you are living, where are you living, and your another all the things. Select nationality, and there you guys will add your website URL. Once you guys will complete all the things, then after that you can click on the save button. And you will see we have successfully created our profile, our backlink on this site. So this is a backlink, and this is a non-clickable backlink. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.